Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern. So we used nested for loop to understand this pattern because this is a weaver triangle approach and also a row wise pattern because in each row numbers are constantly repeated in an alternative way, means in each row 0 and 1 are repeated in a constantly way. So we used nested for loop. Firstly we declare two variables that are used for nested for loop. So we create integer type variable I and j, and we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take three parameter. Firstly we initialize, then second we check condition, and third we increment or decrement the variables value. So firstly we initialize I variable equals to 0 and check condition if I less than 5, and increment the I variable in 1, means I increment to 1, and inside this outer for loop we create another for loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we also take three parameter. Firstly we initialize j variable equals to 5 and check condition if j greater than I, and j decrement to 1, and inside this inner for loop we print I mod 2, because this is a row wise pattern. When we have a row wise pattern we always print the outer loop variable that is I, and in this pattern we used the logic I mod 2, and modulo operator always return reminder, and outside this inner loop we used backslash n for new line. So when we have a row wise pattern we always print the outer loop variable. So I hope you understand, and like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching. If you have any concern related to this pattern you can ask me or comment me. Have a great day and grow more and more